Bags here, and welcome back to another unboxing, guys. Now this particular unboxing is a Marc Jacobs bag that I picked up from Neiman Marcus. So if you guys want to see the bag that I got, then please make sure to stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you guys are new here or if you're a returning viewer and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so because it's absolutely free to you, especially if you enjoy watching handbag unboxings, bag reveals, fashion, and a little extra. Then make sure to click that subscribe button. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning into another unboxing. Now we're gonna get straight into this unboxing, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and throw up the unboxing portion of the video, and then we'll come back and talk about what I picked up.
Sweet love, sweet love, you give me nothing but sweet love. Sweet love, you give me nothing but sweet love.
Alright guys, so here it is. I do have it still in the dust bag, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and share with you guys the bag that I did end up picking up off of Neiman Marcus. Alright, so here we go, y'all. It is the beautiful cheetah tote bag from Marc Jacobs in the canvas print, and it is in the size medium. Now I picked this bag up back in August. I believe it was like August the 20th or the 21st, something like that, when I picked this bag up. Now I did have to order it online, and it has been sitting and waiting for me to go ahead and film a video on the unboxing of it, guys. I have been just that busy. Now this was one of the bags that I did want for around my birthday, and I finally decided to pick it up in August, even though my birthday is in July. And this bag is absolutely gorgeous in person, y'all. Now this is my second Marc Jacobs tote bag. My first one is in that beautiful camel print that hubby picked up for me for Christmas last year, and I absolutely love that bag, y'all. I cannot wait to move back into that bag during the fall and winter season. Now this bag was running on Neiman Marcus site for about $250 in the medium size. They do have the small and the medium still available, so I will link it down below if you guys are interested. I believe the small was like $225. Now this is my favorite size when it comes to the Marc Jacobs tote bag, and I discovered that when we went to the Marc Jacobs store in Atlanta a couple of years ago, and I was able to try on the denim bag in the large and the medium, and I realized that the medium is my favorite size. Now I will say this, I won't say that I won't ever buy a large, but if I did, it would probably be more so for travel, just because my kids are all grown now, and that size I think I would have used if my kids were smaller, because I'd be able to throw all their things in it. Alright, so with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get into the details of this beautiful bag. Now it does have the Marc Jacobs logo, the tote bag here on the front, that's embroidered on the front of the bag in white. Absolutely gorgeous. It also says Marc Jacobs here on the front as well. It does have the Marc Jacobs patch on the back as well too. And this bag did not come stuffed, so I did stuff it to try to get this here in the bag. And I think I'm just gonna have to put a little more stuffing, especially on this side, to kind of get that dent out of the canvas. This is what it looks like on the bottom, no feet. Now this bag does come with the web crossbody. You can wear this bag crossbody as well as top handle. I really enjoy wearing my top handle. Every now and again I will throw the crossbody on, especially if I'm going somewhere where I definitely want to be hands-free. I will throw the crossbody on, so I usually just leave it in the inside of the bag. It does have the top zipper here. This is the tag for the bag. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a peek inside of this cutie. Alright, so here is the crossbody here. It is in black. The hardware on the crossbody is in silver. It is adjustable as well too. Very substantial hardware. Okay. And it does say Marc Jacobs on the hardware as well too, guys. And I will show you guys where you can attach the hardware as well too. Let me go ahead and take this off. Ooh. I should have had my scissors on me. Okay. Now the interior of this bag is black, so it is a black hole. As you guys can see on that back wall, it does come with the back zipper compartment. It just has the Marc Jacobs information to how to take care of the bag. That's what that was. And then it does have the Marc Jacobs tag right here on the back of that zipper compartment as well too. And that's the only organization you get inside of this bag. But I will say this, because the medium and the large size is so big, you really don't need a whole lot of organization, especially if you use the pouch system like I do. That is how that looks. And then here on the interior of the bag, you do get your D-ring. So there's one here on this side, and then of course the other one is here on this side. So there's the D-rings, and that's where you connect the crossbody. So here's the crossbody. I'm gonna go ahead and connect it so that you guys can see what it looks like connected to the bag. And like I said, it is adjustable, and the crossbody, I believe when it's adjusted, is 27 inches. So definitely more than enough room to adjust this to any length that you need it, depending on your height. I'm 5'4", so mine would probably be pretty short because I don't like mine super long on me. Okay, so that's what it looks like with the crossbody on. Okay. Now, real quick, I'm going to give you guys the measurements of this bag. The height of the bag, guys, is 10.2. The width of the bag is 13 inches. And then the depth of the bag here is 5.9 inches. So pretty big bag. You're able to get all of your items in here. I love the fact that it has the top zipper closure. That way your items don't fall out of your bag. Really love that about this as well too. Now the lining in this bag is polyester as well too, and like I said, it is a black lining. I kind of wish they did the lining like how they did the camo with that bright yellow in the inside, or even with the lighter tan or brown color in the inside, so that you're not just looking into a big black hole. But it is what it is, guys. But yeah, I love Marc Jacobs canvas totes. They are probably my favorite. I don't have any leather ones in my collection as of yet. I may end up picking out one, but so far I am in love with their canvas collection, and I do know that I see a few more canvas bags that I want to get from their collection. I did visit the Marc Jacobs store recently again in the Atlanta Lenox Mall, And I spoke to the sales associate about one that they have that has like all of your zodiac signs, and she did tell me that they're supposed to be restocking those again the beginning part of the year. So I'm hoping I'll be able to get my hand on the Leo one, because that bag is absolutely gorgeous. I know they restocked a few of the zodiac signs, but the Leo was not one of them. Hopefully I'll be able to pick that bag up in 2026, guys. All right, yeah, this is my Marc Jacobs cheetah print or leopard print canvas tote bag in the size medium. I did pick this beautiful bag up from Neiman Marcus. Like I mentioned before, I will leave a link to this bag down below if you're interested in picking it up, guys. If you guys have stuck with me thus far, thank you guys so much. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button because it's absolutely free to you. And also make sure to like this video and leave a comment down below, guys, and let me know if you was able to pick up this cheetah print bag from Marc Jacobs, or if you have any of their canvas bags in your collection. Let me know down below. And also make sure to click that bell, guys, that way you're always notified every time I upload new content. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day, and I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.